Hey, 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 it's KrepsyK, and today we are making a white trash delight, a trailer park treasure, whatever you want to call it. We are making some good country cheap cooking, and it's going to be delicious. First thing you need is 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. No white trash dish is complete without cream of mushroom soup. Second thing you need is a bag of shredded cheese. Always the taco blend. If anybody says anything different, they're a liar. Third thing you need, chopped up hot dogs. Again, if you're not using chopped up hot dogs in your white trash treasure, you're probably doing it wrong. Last thing you need, bread and milk. So, what we're going to do is we're going to cleverly and very scientifically combine all of these ingredients and then put it over the white bread. That's exactly what's going to happen. So let's go ahead and get cooking. Alright, and we're back. So what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get myself a spoon. I'm going to go ahead and set this to a good temperature, probably about medium high, 6 or 7, give or take. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my cream of mushroom soup to my pan here. Pot, pan, whatever you call it. Put that in there. Make sure you get all the goodness off of there. Get all of that out of there. There you go. Deliciousness in a can. You're going to do this, obviously, both cans. And then we're going to add the milk. Oh. Come on, baby. There we go. Now, this, because, well, the weather's turning, it's getting to be about that time, people are going to want to start wanting warm, delicious food that sticks to your ribs, that very home-cooked, you know, like, just the, what do they call it, soul food type of stuff, you know, just really, I don't know how else to call it. I don't know what else to call it other than just grandma's cooking, mom's cooking, winter foods, you know. So we're going to do one can of milk, a little bit less than 1 can of milk in each can. And you want to get the most out of your soup, so you go ahead and make sure you get all of that soup, or as much of that soup as you can, out of it and ready to be cooked. Let's go ahead and get all that out of there. Boom. Just like that. It'll all get mixed in. It'll all get cooked. Not to worry. Got the other can here. Pouring the milk in. Getting it ready. We're going to get all this mixed up, and then we're going to add the hot dogs. But we are not going to add the cheese because this is not ready to be added yet. It's not going to be hot enough yet to add the cheese. So after I get this can and the hot dogs in and all of this mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and come back when it's time to add the cheese. Let's go ahead and get all this mixed up, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Alright, and we are back, and as you can see, we got some good little heat bubbles here. Our milk, mushroom soup, and hot dogs are all mixed together and finally heated up and ready for the cheese. Let's go ahead and slowly add our cheese and get it folded in and mixed in. Make sure we get all of it, no wasting the cheese. Cheese, gotta have the cheese. And so we get all of this folded in, and when the cheese is melted, it's ready to be served. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop a couple of pieces of bread in the toaster. Now, I'm told by the experts that I am not supposed to use toast, but regular bread. But for me, it's a texture thing. I really do enjoy toast over regular bread in most cases. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit that time lapse, and I'll get back with you when this cheese is fully melted and my toast is finished for the finished product and even a little price guide. Alright, and our time lapse is over. And as you can see, our super dogs are heated up. I'm going to go ahead and kill the heat. And all of the cheese has been properly mixed in. And I've got my toast. So all we're going to do is give it a nice good scoop. And pour this right over toast. I would equivalent this to like a even poorer man's chipped beef on toast, if you've ever had that. People like to call it other words that I'm not going to say in this video. But yeah, if you add it up, the 2 cans of soup probably come to, I don't know, $2 approximately wherever you live. Bag of cheese, another $2.50, so you're up to what, $4.50. You probably already have milk in the fridge. If you don't, milk's fairly cheap if you just buy enough to make the dish. And your cheapest bread is probably $1, maybe $1.50. So all in, you're probably only in, I don't know, anywhere between $6 and $8 for a delicious, hearty, stick to your ribs, cold weather, white trashy dish. And you know what? It's absolutely delicious. And that, my friends, is how you make super dogs. So, thank you for stopping by. You all have a great day. This was KrepsyK, and I'm getting out of here.